So, I'm Amir my seniors guys. Welcome back to another video. And this video, I'm gonna talk about the most important problem that you will do for you have done for to speak the English language. So that's why you can't speak, you can't able to speak. So from this video is gonna be a most important video, and this video is gonna be a turning point in your life if you just watch this video till end. And from this video, I'm gonna explain you that how you can just practice the English language in any kinds of situation. So now guys, I don't waste time with exercising. Now guys, I will go to the top. So for to practice the English language, you have done the three mistakes. That is, one is the demotivation, and second is always just listen what the other people say, and the third is thinking about mistake. So this thing is you just all are just thinking that for to practice English language. So that's why your practice are not gonna be perfect. So for to doing the perfect practice, you just have to believe in yourself. It was a very important thing for to believe in yourself, because we didn't believe ourselves that what we are doing. So how the people are understanding me? If we just did not believe ourselves, so how people will understand me? So it was totally just a tough thing, totally just tough thing. Yes, guys. So if we want to just be a successful one in our life, so we have to change ourselves. We can't change people. We have to change ourselves. So so whenever you also can feel that whenever you start to speak something, in the time you feel that demotivation. So demotivation means like whenever you just want to speak the English language. So in that time also you feel demotivation, like I can't do this thing. It was not my work. I did not able to do these things. So these kinds of thinking are coming in your brain. So if you can just guys, if you can remove this thing, and if you have this thing, so you are not doing the perfect practice. And the second thing, as I say, the second thing is that thinking about the mistake. Thinking about the mistake. So what is the thinking about the mistake? So whenever we do any kinds of work, any kinds of just thinking, any kinds of works, in that time we just before to doing this work, we just find out our mistake. What is the mistake we will do what. So this kinds of thing we just thinking about this thing. So mistake is a common. So everyone do mistake. No one just tell you that they didn't do mistake. So like thing mistake is like thing that if you just didn't do mistakes, so you can't learn that. Mistake is the first step of your success. Always just remember, no one born perfect and educated. They all are learned from their mistakes. Learn perfect and educated. They all are learned from their mistakes. So always remember this thing. If you want to be the successful one in your life, you don't change people. You change yourself. If you can change yourself, so the society was automatically changes. And if you want to be the something in your life, so try to create something. I always say for those who create new something. So you just try to create something new. If you just create something new, so it was a very essential, and you just thinking power is crazy. If you just guys think if you can create something new. So always remember one thing. So just guys, if we want to be a successful one, so we need like we need this thing that we also know that speaking English speaking we need, and also variety of things we need for to become a successful one. So in that time also we can't do something. That is the thing. So like think making a mistake is much than better. Like if you just do the wrong performance. So just thinking about you just think one thing. You just think a particular thing that what you have to do in your life. And like if you wanna be the English speaker, so always just try to question yourself that why you want to learn the English language. This question is a must be important question for you all. And if you can ask something, if you just question yourself that why you learn English language, you don't know why you want to become something, so you will find out the thing that you just thinking. Your thinking will just help you for to just reach whatever you want in your life. So that is the thing. So if you just guys want to be something in your life, you try to get something. And I also say this thing that demotivation come. Now I will tell you that demotivation. Whenever you just try to do something in your life, people, our just society's people, they are very wrong people. They're very low. Whenever you just try to do something new, so they just tell you, they will tell you that no, don't do this thing. It was wrong. It was the wrong way for to do this thing. So these kinds of things, they're just pinch us, they're pinch us, they're just tag us. So we can't do anything. We can't able to do anything. Why? Because society's people was very bad. They also did not know anything. They also want that you also don't know anything. So always just remember one thing. If you wanna be the successful one in your life, so always just be distant these kinds of people. Our religion, our for to become a successful one, we have to work around. No one can help us for to become a successful one. And maybe your family members is maybe your friends is maybe your society's people. Nobody can help you for to become a successful one. You have to just take your own way for to become a successful. So like thing, if you just now you just thinking one thing. You need to practice the English language, but you don't want anybody. So who can understand English, they only can speak with you. Otherwise, another people they can't. They are your family member, they can't speak. So how you can practice this thing? So that is the thing. Always just remember, you have to work on and you have to think, you have to innovation that how you can practice the English language and how you can do them something. So as you also can see, I also just upload lots of video about how to practice the English language. You also can see this video. So this video you will, if you just saw, if you just you will see this video, so I just granted you that you will all of the thing will clear that one that why you did not speak English, and what is the problem you face for with speaking English. So this type of thing. So like in our society is a big society, so there have a lots of festival are arise and lots of things are arise. So in the time in our mind was passed, we cannot think like a good thing, we cannot think about big thing. So if you wanted to be successful in your life, so always just think about you what you will do, not think about what they will do. Always think about, as I say that people will always think about you, you don't think about people. So if you just think about the people, so it was a very wrong thing. You just do your work, that you don't have to see what they are thinking, what they are saying. It was just totally wrong thing. So guys, if you just like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, because this kinds of video you will get if you just subscribe my channel. So this video also very interesting video for every beginner who wanna be the English speaker in their life. So English is a most important and most like a valuable platform that everyone can't just write it. So always remember one thing. If you wanna be the successful one in your life, you need the English language. And if you wanna be the businessman, you need the English language. Everywhere we need the English language, because in the time of our school also become English medium school. So everywhere I'm just English are just fluid like a wine. So always remember one thing, if you wanna be the successful one, you need the English language. So if you just like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, because this I also just suggest you lots of things. Thank you for watching. Till the next more important and interesting video.